In the silent, still waters of freshwater ponds and marshes, a shadow moves with deadly purpose. It doesn't make a sound. No splash. No ripple. Hidden beneath a carpet of floating leaves and sun-dappled algae, the predator waits. This is the giant water bug, a creature that combines patience, power, and precision like few others in the insect world. Its armor-like body lies low, almost indistinguishable from its surroundings. But this is no passive creature. It is a lurking assassin, designed by evolution for one purpose: to strike with lethal efficiency. While many freshwater animals have developed impressive defenses, few can escape the ambush strategy of this bug. Even species with hard shells, venomous skins, or swift reflexes often fall prey. The giant water bug is armed with a formidable set of forelegs, shaped like barbed hooks, capable of locking onto prey with a force that few creatures of its size can resist. Once it seizes a victim, it delivers a vicious blow not with brute strength, but with biochemical warfare. A piercing beak injects a potent mix of enzymes and neurotoxins into the body of the prey. Muscles go limp. Nerves stop firing. Organs begin to dissolve into liquid, all within moments. The bug then calmly sucks out the liquefied remains, turning its victim into nourishment in the most efficient and horrifying way possible. Its diet is far from limited. It targets a wide range of animals, from insect larvae to small fish, tadpoles, young amphibians, even turtles and aquatic snakes. If a creature is small enough to catch and soft enough to pierce, it's on the menu. Despite their slow metabolism, giant water bugs can bring down prey many times their size, holding them tightly while digestion begins outside the body. Their ambush style is highly effective, but they're not restricted to waiting. If an opportunity presents itself, the giant water bug can shift from predator in hiding to a bold attacker, launching surprise assaults even on fast-moving targets. Though this direct approach is less reliable than lying in wait, it still succeeds, especially when prey is distracted or unaware. Unlike fish or other aquatic creatures that use gills, the giant water bug relies on atmospheric oxygen. It breathes through specialized air tubes located at the tip of its abdomen. These tubes allow it to draw in air from the surface while remaining mostly submerged, avoiding detection. It's a brilliant adaptation, letting the predator stay hidden while keeping its body ready for action at a moment's notice. To avoid being eaten by larger fish, the giant water bug often inhabits shallow waters, where predation pressure is lower. In this environment, it reigns as a top predator, maintaining balance by controlling populations of smaller species. It may be a bug, but in this miniature ecosystem, it plays the role of apex predator with unmatched efficiency. Even its reproductive behavior is extraordinary. When mating season arrives, the female lays her eggs, not in a nest or a secret hiding spot, but directly onto the back of the male. Dozens of eggs are glued in neat rows along his broad, flat back. From that moment on, the male takes full responsibility for their care. He keeps the eggs moist and oxygenated, swimming to the surface and circulating water over them to prevent fungal infections and ensure proper development. During this time, the male stops hunting. His only focus is to protect and nurture the next generation. He becomes fiercely alert, defending the eggs from predators and environmental threats. This unusual role reversal, where the male becomes the primary caretaker, is rare among insects. It reflects a deep evolutionary investment in survival. Females choose their mates based on their ability to protect eggs. A male already carrying eggs is more likely to receive more, while those who fail to raise viable young are often rejected in future mating attempts. Here, success is measured not just in how well you hunt, but in how well you father. But even this fierce predator isn't immune to danger. Human activity has placed increasing pressure on their habitats. Pollution from pesticides, industrial waste, and domestic runoff has poisoned many freshwater ecosystems. Wetlands are being drained, ponds filled, and rivers diverted. As their natural homes shrink and deteriorate, so too do their populations. In some regions, giant water bugs are harvested for food or traditional medicines. While this alone doesn't threaten the species globally, unregulated hunting, especially when males are carrying eggs, can wipe out entire generations in a single season. To ensure the survival of this remarkable creature, action is needed. Conservation must focus on restoring clean water habitats, limiting chemical runoff, and protecting breeding grounds from overharvesting. Education and awareness are equally vital. This is not just a bug, it's a predator, a protector, and a vital part of the freshwater ecosystem. The giant water bug is a living example of how nature turns even the smallest creatures into marvels of design and behavior. Hidden beneath the surface, in the shallows of forgotten ponds, one of nature's most ruthless and fascinating hunters continues its ancient work balancing ecosystems, raising young, and surviving against the odds. So, what do you think of the giant water bug, a tiny creature with a terrifying twist? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss another wild encounter. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.